Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. A few days ago I posted how I got these beautiful defined curls. If you missed it, click the iCard right here. I am just loving this look. My curls are so defined. My hair is just getting more voluminous. Many of you were curious on how my hair was holding up. Did I notice any residue, any flakes, the definition? So I decided to do a little experiment. I am going to rewash my hair. I'm going to do the whole process over again. I am going to film a week in my hair after I applied the Wetline Xtreme gel. This was my first time trying this gel. Also the technique that I use with twirling the brush. I just love the results. I cannot get enough of it. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's just get right into it. Okay, I am back now and look at my hair. Look at this definition already. So you know what that means. All I did for my quick wash day was co-wash my hair. I know I never co-wash my hair, but I decided to use the Jane Carter solution, Curls to Go, Curl Drench Cleansing Co-Wash. I always wash my hair every week or every other week if I'm really stretching it. So I need to do the whole wash day routine. I need to do a treatment, shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner. So co-washes don't cut it. But I did have this in my full bookshelf of hair products, so I decided to use it. I really do like this. So if you're in between wash days where you feel like your hair is dirty or you just need a pick-me-up, I would definitely recommend this. This really hydrates my curls. And then I followed it up and I used the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Macro and Baobab oils. Whew, that is a mouthful. I really like this line because it really hydrates my hair. It really has my hair feeling nice and smooth and soft. So I really love this line. It's one of my favorite lines from Shea Moisture, period. And then I followed it up with the Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Anti-Breakage Spray with Shea Moisture and Peppermint. And I was running out of the leave-in conditioner that goes with this line. So I used this one. This is my next favorite from Shea Moisture. I really like the spray. It really helps my hair to feel nice and strong. And I also use the jojoba oil by Desert Essence. Again, I really love jojoba oil. It's a lightweight oil and it also mimics the natural sebum of your scalp. So this is a very good oil. Lightweight is perfect for styles like this that don't weigh my hair down. And then I followed it up with this gel, the Wetline Xtreme gel. I am really loving this gel. I just like the way it makes my hair look. I haven't had curls pop in for a minute now. So I used this gel and I did the same technique. And here are the results. I really like my hair. I just really love this definition. I cannot get over it. My hair looks so good. So now I'm going to go to Georgia. I'm all packed and right now I'm just waiting to go. There's the night in the background. So right now it is 7:45 p.m. So by the time I get to Georgia, it will be like 4 or 5 in the morning. So I am going to be tired. I already know that. I mean, I'm not driving, so that is a good thing. But at the same time, I will have to wrap my hair up probably in the car. Anyways, I will be in Georgia the next time you see me. Okay, so I finally reached Atlanta. It took like 12 hours and 3 stops. But here is how my hair looks. I did not put a scarf on as I thought I would. I just let my hair air dry as we were driving down. And we finally reached our destination. I'm really liking how my curls are looking. I mean, that's not really a surprise to me. I already knew how my hair was gonna look. So this is technically day 1 of my wash and go. Flat a little bit, so I'm going to separate it just so it doesn't look so flat. I want some volume. And then because I'm not gonna go anywhere for the rest of the day, I'm gonna put my scarf on and my bonnet and get ready for our event for tomorrow. And there is a scrunch, but I already knew that from the last video that I did. It doesn't bother me just as long as I can put a little bit of jojoba oil on and just scrunch the crunch out. Okay, so I have pretty much separated a lot of the curls. So here's how my hair looks. I am living for this definition. I really love this method of doing my wash and goes. It just looks so good. Of course, I haven't picked my hair yet, but I just wanted to show you what my hair is looking like right now. So of course there is a little bit of a crunch, but nothing major. I am going to scrunch the crunch out with some jojoba oil. Okay, so here is how my hair looks after I've applied the jojoba oil. It still has like a slight crunch, but that's okay because as I was wearing my hair out in the wash and go, I noticed that my hair definitely softens up. So that is a great sign. And of course, my hair is just gonna get more voluminous as the days go on. So of course, I'm going to take my pick and I'm just going to pick my hair at the roots for some extra volume. Okay, so I think that is enough fluffing for now. I'm not going to do too much as I would normally do because I am just going to put my scarf on and tie my hair up. Then all I have to do is wash my face, get ready for bed. Because tomorrow I'm going to a convention. It's a We Buy Black owned convention and it is going to be really great. So I'm going to take you along with me just so you can kind of see the ins and outs of the event and really to show you my hair. My hair is going to be more voluminous than this. So I will see you tomorrow. And then I just put the loose ends towards the back and tie it again. So this is how I do my pineapple. I don't use a scrunchie. I just like to do this right here, and that just ensures that all of my hair is going to be nice and protected. And then I go on top of that with my bonnet. So this is like an added security blanket. I'm going to put that right on top. So just like that, and my hair is nice and secure for the night. So I'm about to eat dinner and I will see you tomorrow for the convention. Bye. Good morning. It is the next morning and it is currently 7:44 a.m. We are on our way to the convention center, so this should be really fun. I am going to put some makeup on really quick in the car. I know, car struggles. I wanted to get a little bit more rest, so I decided to sleep in, and then I just brought all my makeup with me and I'll just be doing my makeup in the car. I'll be using my little light here. We'll be leaving the convention tonight at 9 o'clock, so that is 14 hours. So I don't want to have a full face of makeup on for that long, so I'm gonna do something really light. We just made it to the convention center and he is unloading everything right now. So here is my pass. It is the inaugural We Buy Black convention, so it's from today and tomorrow. I'm really excited to be a part of this and have this business in the family. It's really exciting, and I will link everything in the description box, so if you're interested in checking the site out or buying anything, it's the POC brand. Here's how my hair looks. It looks pretty good. I fluffed it out a little bit more. I can already tell that my hair is getting a lot of volume, and I will see you later. Trying to get my lighting here without a shadow. I guess this is good. Today is the second day of the event and I'm so happy. Yesterday was pretty good. It was steady. I know today is going to be a lot better. So all I did for my hair today was mist it with a little bit of water and I just pulled my hair with my hand. So I didn't fluff it with the pick. All I did was just pull it like this and kind of gave it some shape. And I put some more jojoba oil in my hair just so I didn't cause any unnecessary frizz. I'm really loving how my hair looks and I don't see any residue in my hair. It looks really good. I'm loving my volume. My hair overall is really nice. I just love this gel. I just love how my hair looks and feels. I don't feel a gel cast, which is really good. My curls are still defined. And I did my makeup in the car again. I know, struggle, but I'd rather get my sleep. We have been traveling and it took so long to get here from Maryland, so I need my rest. And also Zanai, she slept through the night. I know she was tired. She was with her grandmother. So here's how my hair looks. I didn't do too much to it, tied it up, and this is very low maintenance. So I love doing styles like this where I don't have to do a lot to my hair, but I am going to go help now and I'll see you in a bit. I am back home now, and it is Monday, November 19th. And I had so much fun in Atlanta. I really enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed the show. And being a part of the first inaugural We Buy Black convention, it was really empowering. I really loved all the different vendors there. And it really goes to show that there are so many great Black-owned businesses, and I am all for it. I am sitting on the floor right now. Here's how my hair looks. I don't notice any residue. I know many of you wanted to know, and I haven't noticed that at all. My hair is really soft, but my hair is still defined, and I really love that. I know I can't stress enough how much I love definition, but at the same time, if I can get definition and I can get volume, it is a plus. Yesterday was Sunday, and that's when we came back to Maryland, and it took about 11 hours to get back to Maryland from Atlanta. So all I did was have my hair in the scarf and the bonnet the whole time, pretty much. When we got into the van, that's when I wrapped my hair up, because there's no point in having my hair out and just rubbing against the seat in the van. So I knew I was gonna go home, so it was kind of pointless. And a lot of times when I know that I'm not going to go anywhere or do anything, and I don't need to have any maintenance to my hair, I just keep my hair in the bonnet for the day, and then the next day I'll take it out and wear it out, fluff it, put some water and a little bit of oils on my scalp and rub it in. That is one tip that you could do. You don't always have to have your hair out if you're gonna be home or you're not going anywhere. You could relax. Just keep your bonnet on for the day. I am about to go to sleep. All I'm going to do is wrap my hair in my scarf and put my bonnet on and go to sleep. Tomorrow is going to be more adventurous, so. Today is Tuesday, November 20th, and my hair is holding up really good. I am currently in Target. I just left the post office. I finally gave my phones back. I had to return the phones that were broken from last month. That was a whole deal within itself, but I finally went to the post office. But my hair looks really good. I really love this volume, and I don't notice any residue, any flaking, any buildup. Everything is a-okay. I'm going to continue shopping around. I just wanted to show you what my hair is looking like so you could see. These little pineapples are so cute. These are little pepper shakers, salt shakers. And then this is really nice. It is a cookie jar, but I wouldn't use it for cookies. I would use it in my room. Maybe put some lip gloss in there. Let me show you. So here is what the inside looks like. I would clean it out, but I really like this. I'm not sure. I'm gonna get it just because I love pineapples, and I really like the white aesthetic with gold. Gold is one of my favorite colors. I just really love the accent, so I'm going to buy it just because I really like it. Just saw this board right here. I really like it. I've seen this on a few like inspirational pictures, and I've always wanted to have that, so I think I'm gonna get this. And they only have one pack of the letters for the letter board, so I'm gonna get both of these and just have a nice thing. I see a lot of binders. I really like this one because of the color scheme, but I love polka dots, so I like this one even more. It has the black, white, and gold, which are my staple colors. I did see another little binder over here. This one, it's really pretty. I love the pineapples. You already know. The only thing is it's pink and it's small. So unless I see some small paper, I'm not gonna get it. But I will be doing more events in 2019. So I want a binder or something to really keep me nice and organized so I can plan accordingly. And it's so funny. I look over and lo and behold, they have smaller paper. So this is 5.5 inches by 8.5. So I am going to get this one. Okay, today is day 7, and look at my hair. I have so much volume, so much body and definition. It is Wednesday, November 21st. My hair held up really nicely, as you could see. I can tell the parts here in the front, they just look a little bit limp, but other than that, I have the volume, I have the definition. I don't really have a lot of frizz, but I will be washing my hair probably tomorrow, which will be Thanksgiving, at nighttime, and then I will be styling my hair. I probably will do, I don't know, either a perm rod or a twist out. I know I'm doing like the same styles, but I'm thinking to use the Wetline gel with a twist out or with a perm rod out. So stay tuned for that video, and hopefully this video will answer everyone's questions on how the Wetline Xtreme gel held up in my hair for a week. And that's really the standard of how long my styles do last. I keep my styles in for about a week to a week and a half. So sometimes I'll stretch it by doing different styles, or I'll just, you know, put off washing my hair. But for the most part, my hair looks really good. My hair stays healthy. I mist it with water every other day to every other 2 days, and I also do apply oil to my scalp and to the length of my hair because I like sheen, and also I don't want my scalp to get dried out. I really think the techniques that I use from wash day and also styling my hair really help for my styles to last. I'm still satisfied with my hair. I still have definition a week later. Let me know what other type of videos that you would like me to do in the comments below, and I will try to do it. I have a slew of videos I want to get done, list and just pages of videos I want to do, and I just appreciate all your support. You keep me motivated, you keep me going, you keep me driven, and I really like that. Everyone that supports me, I read all your comments, I respond to pretty much everyone, because you guys, you just give me the motivation, the encouragement to do what I love to do. This is what I love to do, and I want to be where I am without you, and I really mean it. Your positive words mean so much to me. Not only my supporters, it's just we have like a little family going, and I love it. I really do love it. I don't take you for granted, and I cannot thank you enough for just being here with me. I cannot thank you enough. So thank you. I will turn around in a little bit, but I just really wanted to show you my hair. I show you this definition. My hair still has some definition and it has some frizz, but it has more definition.